Just as I promised I was going to show you guys another video of me coupling my furniture, and this is what I am building. Yes, exactly, this is how it looks. Yes, and this is the step one, this is the manual I'm going to use, and the step two, and the other one step three, the other one step four, and the other one step five, and the other one step six, and just like that. That is how I'm going to follow it step by step, and I'm going to take you guys along until we finish this thing. First of all, I opened the carton, I started removing the dirt, and this is the thing that follow it, what I'm going to use to couple it. They numbered it. Everyone have its own numbers, and I'm going to follow it up just like so. So my husband is not around. I'm at home alone with the kids, and I needed to fix this thing. I don't have to wait for him because it's not coming now until next month. So I needed to do all these things by myself. Like the TV stand in my sitting room was old and I don't like the look anymore. So I decided to get a new one, and when I got it, I said, okay, let me do it myself. Guys, I just want to use this video to encourage you. If I can do this, I know you too, you can do it, because imagine me trying to do all these things. I've never done it before. I don't even know how they do it, but just following the manual, and it helps me a lot. And if I can do it, I know and I believe that you can too. So, and amazing thing is the way they are numbering the thing is really nice. What you need to do is to just follow it accordingly. Look at the number and look at the way. Not only the number 8, they will also draw arrows, so you understand very well. In case you don't know how to read, you understand. Like this manual, it was in Dutch, not in English. The one I used before in my kitchen, that one was English, but this one was Dutch. So even if you don't understand the language, seeing the picture, seeing the number, you will understand it. Confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. Like I said in my previous video, I am not making this video just to create a content. I am making this video to encourage my fellow mothers, to encourage my fellow mommy, to tell you that you see all these things you are paying for, you can do it if you really want to do it. So this time, my kids, they were playing music. The music was really through my head. I have no choice. I have to start dancing, and they were dancing on the other side. So I just like followed them up, and so I continue my work. So this what's it called, spanner, is this spanner, or I forgot what they call the screwdriver, is for my husband. They come with the thing, so I just took my husband's one, and that's what I'm using. So, and as you can see, I am doing this thing. I am just following up. So what I normally do before when I finish one step, before I enter the second step, I will pause the video. I will take my time to understand the manual, to read it, to look at it very well, not just to read it, to look at the picture. And I will hold the wood, I will kind of position it the way they position it. Then I will play the video again. I will start it. So this is how you see, I just pause it and I replay it again. And this one, I've already looked at it. Then I will just start placing it the way they numbered it and the way it positioned. So this is how I was able to get it. But I made mistake in a particular place, which I'm going to tell you when I get there. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Talking every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life as Susan Gold.
every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Blogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the
So
streets, I
here
walk it
is where
out
I made
bold.
mistake.
Every
Okay,
move
so
I
like I
make,
said,
yeah,
I
it's
have not
pure
done it
gold.
before. I'm just learning. Okay, and I made mistake here. So I was
SUSANGOLD.
supposed to
Hair
turn
blogs,
this thing
walkouts, watch
like
me
where it's facing. I'm
unfold.
supposed to face the
Style,
other side.
shine,
When I
stories
realized it,
to
I
be
just quickly
told. Living my
just
best life, that's
remove the
Susan
key
Gold.
and I turned it. That was just, it's very little mistake because this rough side was supposed to face front, supposed to face the
Check
back.
the mirror,
So
honey,
when I
yeah, I
realized
got
it,
that
I just
flair.
quickly just
Tips and
turned
tricks
it.
for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Walkouts glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Blogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold.
Guys, I
SUSANGOLD.
want you to
Hair
tell
blogs,
me, my
walkouts, watch
fellow
me
mommies,
unfold.
or even
Style,
you as
shine,
a man
stories
watching this
to
video,
be told.
did
Living
I
my
did my
best
video
life, that's
like
Susan Gold.
make sense to you?
Check
What
the
I'm doing
mirror,
now, does it make
honey, yeah,
sense
I
to
got
you?
that
Do I supposed to
flair.
be doing it? Don't I
Tips and
supposed to pay
tricks for
somebody to
days,
do
love
it?
to
But as for
share.
me,
From
I feel
sleek
like I'm
to
saving
wild,
money.
from
Okay,
soft
as
to
a
bold.
mother,
Every
did
hairstyle's
my
magic when you're
video
Susan
inspire
Gold.
you? Do you
Vlogging
want to
every moment,
try to
sharing
also do
what I
something?
feel.
If you want to try,
Lifestyle
I am
hustle,
telling
I
you, you
keep
can
it
do it.
real. From the chair
If I
to the
can
streets,
do
I
it, I
walk
know
it
you
out
can do it
bold.
too.
Every
So all you
move
need to
I
do is start
make,
with
yeah, it's pure
something,
gold.
something small, and when you do it, as long as
SUSANGOLD.
you
Hair
you
blogs,
can see the
walkouts,
picture,
watch
there's a
me
manual you can
unfold.
follow up. I
Style,
have built
shine,
a wardrobe.
stories to be
My kids'
told.
wardrobe,
Living
I
my
built it
best
while I
life,
was
that's
pregnant, like
Susan Gold.
almost 3 years ago, and their wardrobe is still there. Okay, so if I can build a wardrobe and I can build my kitchen
Check the
cupboard,
mirror,
and
honey,
now
yeah,
I
I
am
got that
building my TV
flair.
stand, my baby
Tips
bed,
and tricks for
there are a
days,
lot of
love
things.
to share. From
And
sleek
my
to
husband
wild, from
and I
soft
we
to
built my
bold.
makeup
Every
table,
hairstyle's
but my
magic
baby
when you're
bed I built
Susan
it
Gold.
myself. And my kids' wardrobe, I built it myself. And a kitchen a cupboard, of course, you guys saw it. I built it myself, just as I am doing this now. So when I finish here, what I'm going to do, I have a shower, then I will use Vaseline to cream my hand, because if not, I'm going to start having strong hand, because I know some people want to use hand gloves, but I'm not good with gloves. So I decided to just like use my hand. And I was really happy doing it. Guys, more are still coming. Just keep watching.
Walkouts glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Blogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Walkouts glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Blogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Walkouts glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told.
Now you see that we are done. All I need to do is to remove all this paper and we are good to go. I feel the light, everything. Like, guys, I am so proud of myself. So this is the old one, and I tend to just remove it and take it out completely, and I am still coming. Like, this is the room, I want to change it completely before my husband comes back. Like the wallpaper there, I'm going to remove it, I'm going to replace it with something else, and some other things that I need to change in the house before my husband gets back. I'm going to change everything, every single thing. Like, I'm going to change this my house, and yeah. So I'm going to take you guys along. Last time was in kitchen, but I'm not done with the kitchen. Okay, I bought a full kitchen, though I'm not the one that will fix the kitchen. Okay, because of there are other things that I don't think I can do. So I don't just want to try it. I want someone to come and do it. And yeah. So guys, we are done. You see how it is? It's so beautiful. My kids, they are so happy because of the light, because the previous one was not having light. And house with kids now, so they are so happy, and I'm happy they are happy. Like, it gives me joy to see them happy. So I want to know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. One love.